wrapping up our first quarter celebration. The idea was globalism. So what does that mean? Well, this is what it means. We're talking to kids in Tula, Russia. So it's really exciting. They spent the whole quarter learning about different people in different countries. And we did a questionnaire, a survey we sent to them about daily life in Russia. So this kind of makes it very real to the kids to actually see it, get some face time with them, to ask questions, answer their questions, get to know each other a little bit.
What were some of the questions the kids asked?
Well, one of the things was, how do you get around your city? That's why they picked up an idea of marushkas, which we don't have here. And what they are, they're little minivans that scurry around the city. People get on, get off all over. When we have buses, we have taxis. They also have buses and they also have taxis, but they have these marushkas. And they were quite surprised that we learned about that, because that's a very unique thing that is unique to Tula.
Why Tula?
Why Tula? Albany Tula Alliance. I had the wonderful opportunity to travel there last April, and I was at this school, school number 3, and I met all the folks there, and we had a great conversation about connecting our kids. So far up to this point, the Albany Tula Alliance has been, mostly like, academics and researchers and business people, but we haven't really connected the kids. So this was a great opportunity to do that.
Who are the children that you picked out for today?
This group here, these kids are probably the hardest working kids in the school, the kids who really like to get into exploring new and different things, new and different ideas.
And what do you think they took away from it?
Well, I think it made it very real to them, this abstraction of globalism. What does that mean? When they actually, in my impression, like that shot when they moved the camera to their window and saw that it was dark outside. They're ending their day, we're just beginning our day. So that really kind of gives it puts an exclamation mark on, the differences and the great distance between the two places. But we're all basically doing the same thing.
What surprised you about the children's questions from Russia when they were asking your kids?
They want to know a lot about food, I thought, and sometimes I think that I know that I felt when I was there, I almost felt kind of embarrassing a little bit, because they spoke my language so well and they knew so much about my country, and that I could not speak their. I tried. I tried to learn as best I could, but it was very difficult. But I was very impressed by how much they knew about our culture and our country, and I think we need to learn a lot more about other people, their languages and their cultures, as well as our own.
Will there be future Skype phone calls between you and the kids that we just spoke to?
Well, I'm hoping to. Originally, when I came back from Tula, I was hoping, because I work at Schenectady High School, and I was thinking mostly to get the older kids, connected. But then, with this getting involved with this project, I thought, wow, okay, this is a great opportunity. But what I would really like to do is to get our older kids more directly involved with the older kids over in Tula, particularly through our international baccalaureate program we have here in the high school.